Hi guys, this is Module 6, Lesson 9. Today we will solve word problems by drawing arrays. Hoy vamos a dibujar conjuntos para resolver problemas de palabras. So just a reminder, an array is an arrangement of objects in rows and columns. Okay, so if you look at my array, this whole thing is an array, and I can divide it up into rows. And these would be 3 rows with 5 dinosaurs. Or I can divide it up into columns, and these would be 5 columns with 3 dinosaurs in each one. But my whole picture is called an array. So un conjunto está hecho de objetos en filas y columnas. Mi dibujo entero se llama conjunto y lo puedo dividir en filas. Y este conjunto tiene 3 filas con 5 dinosaurios, o en columnas, y este conjunto tiene 5 columnas con 3 dinosaurios en cada una. Pero todo se llama conjunto. Okay, so we said we were going to solve word problems using arrays. So here's my word problem, and in order to solve it, I'm going to draw an array. So let's read it. Joshua cleans 3 cars every hour at work. He worked 4 hours. How many cars did Joshua clean? Okay, so este es mi problema de palabras. Joshua limpia 3 carros cada hora en su trabajo. Él trabajó 4 horas. ¿Cuántos carros limpió Joshua? So my first step is to circle the numbers. Okay, so I see 3 and I see 4. 3 and 4. Alrighty. Then I need to think about, we're not going to follow the usual steps that we do by boxing important words, and because usually the important words that we look for are telling us to add or subtract. Okay, but here we are looking for how we're going to draw our array. Okay, so I know that he cleans 3 cars every hour at work, and he works for 4 hours. Okay, the question is, how many cars did Joshua clean? And then let's think about this. So it's 3 cars every hour at work, and it's 4 hours. So if we were drawing groups, okay, I would draw the thing that goes on the outside, and then something needs to go inside in here. Okay, but here I want to draw an array. So I have 4 hours and 3 cars each hour. So what I'm going to do is, and you can choose to draw either rows or columns. For right now, I'm going to draw rows. So if it's 4 hours, okay, I would draw 4 rows. And it's 3 cars every hour, so I want 3 in each row. And remember, we're not drawing our arrays with drawing the lines and then filling it in. Okay, we're trying to draw it without the lines. So I'm going to draw 1 row with 3. So here's 1 row with 3, 2 rows with 3, 3 rows with 3, and 4 rows with 3. And this is my array. Okay, another way you can do it is, if you want to draw it in columns, you could draw 4 columns with 3 in each one. So this would be 1 column with 3, 2 columns with 3, 3 columns with 3, and 4 columns with 3. Okay, as long as it looks like an array. So you could either draw 4 rows of 3, or if you like columns better, you can do 4 columns of 3. Okay, so both of these arrays are correct, just one of them drew 4 rows of 3, and this one drew 4 columns of 3. Okay, and they're both correct because it doesn't specify in the problem that it's columns or rows. If it tells you in the problem to draw either columns, or if it tells you to draw rows, then that's what you have to do, but this one didn't tell us. And we need to finish it, and we have to answer a question. How many cars did Joshua clean? So if I write my repeated addition sentence, because 3 is what's inside each row or inside each column, my repeated addition sentence would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Because there's 3 here, and plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And even if you drew columns, it's the same. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Alrighty. So, mi problema dice que Joshua limpia 3 carros cada hora en su trabajo. Y él trabajó 4 horas. ¿Cuántos carros limpió Joshua? Entonces, lo que vas a hacer para dibujar tu conjunto es que vas a dibujar columnas o filas. So, en este lado, yo dibujé 4 columnas de 3, o 4 filas de 3. Ahí va una fila, 2 filas de 3, 3 filas de 3 y 4 filas de 3. Este está correcto. Pero si quieres dibujar columnas, tiene que ser 4 columnas con 3 en cada una. So, aquí van una columna de 3, 2 columnas de 3, 3 columnas de 3 y 4 columnas de 3. Los dos son correctos. Este conjunto y este conjunto son correctos porque el problema no te dijo que dibujes filas o columnas específicamente. Solo dijo que dibujes el conjunto. Y mi suma repetida es 3 más 3 más 3 más 3, porque aquí tienes 3 en cada fila aquí y aquí tienes 3 en cada conjunto de aquí. Okay, guys, so let's try another one. All right, so this next one says the baker made 5 trays of muffins. Each tray holds 4 muffins. How many muffins did the baker make? Alrighty, so same thing, we're going to circle our numbers, and this one is 5 trays of muffins, and each tray holds 4 muffins. How many muffins did the baker make? So, same thing as the last one. Let's think about it. So you have trays of muffins, and you have muffins. Think about which one is holding something. Are the trays holding the muffins, or are the muffins holding the trays? That doesn't make sense, right? I know that the trays are the group that are holding the muffins, which are the objects inside. So you can choose to either draw rows or to draw columns, as long as you draw 5 rows or 5 columns with 4 in each one. So I'm going to draw rows first to show you. So I can do 5 rows of 4. So here's 1 row of 4, 2 rows of 4, 3 rows of 4, 4 rows of 4, and 5 rows of 4. Okay, or if you want to draw columns, okay, I'm still going to draw columns of 4. So here's 1 column of 4, 2 columns of 4, 3 columns of 4, 4 columns of 4, and 5 columns of 4. Okay, both of these are correct. I'm going to label them. So this is array A, this is array B. Both of these are correct because if you look at my array A, it has 5 rows of 4. 1 row of 4, 2 rows of 4, 3 rows of 4, 4 rows of 4, 5 rows of 4. Array B is columns of 4. So 1 column of 4, 2 columns of 4, 3 columns of 4, 4 columns of 4, 5 columns of 4. And because 4 is what's inside each row or each column, my repeated addition sentence would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And I know 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Alrighty, guys. So, aquí mi problema dice, el panadero hizo 5 charolas de muffins. Cada charola aguanta 4 muffins. ¿Cuántos muffins hizo el panadero? Lo que tienes que hacer es circular tus objetos. Aquí tengo 5 charolas y 4 muffins. ¿Y cuántos muffins hizo el panadero? So, ponte a pensar, ¿qué es lo que es el grupo de afuera y qué es lo que va adentro? ¿Las charolas tienen muffins o los muffins tienen charolas? Eso no tiene sentido porque las charolas son las más grandes. Entonces lo que vas a dibujar son 5 filas o 5 columnas que tengan 4 en cada fila o cada columna. Entonces estos dos conjuntos, el conjunto A y el conjunto B, son correctos. Puedes dibujar 5 filas de 4 o puedes dibujar 5 columnas de 4. Una columna, 2, 3, 4, 5 columnas de 4 adentro. Y como 4 es el número que va dentro de cada fila o de cada columna, mi suma repetida es 4 más 4 más 4 más 4 más 4 es igual a 20. Okay? Alrighty guys, this one you're going to do by yourself. So, there are 3 trees with 5 apples in each tree. How many apples are there all together? Pause the video and then come back with your drawing to check it with mine. So aquí hay 3 árboles con 5 manzanas en cada árbol. ¿Cuántas manzanas hay en total? So, haz tú solo, pausa la video y regresa cuando estés listo para verificar con mi dibujo. Okay, so when I'm solving this, I'm going to circle there are 3 trees with 5 apples in each tree. How many apples are there all together? So when I think about it, do trees have apples in them or do apples have trees in them? I think it's trees that have apples in them. So you can either draw an array of rows and it would be 3 rows of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are my rows 1, 2, 3. Or you could draw columns and you can draw 3 columns of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just to check it, here's 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns of 5. And because 5 is what's inside each column or each row, my repeated addition sentence would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Okay? So este problema dice, hay 3 árboles con 5 manzanas en cada árbol. ¿Cuántas manzanas hay en total? Entonces lo que puedes haber hecho es dibujar filas o columnas, pero piensa, ¿los árboles tienen manzanas o las manzanas tienen árboles? Yo creo que los árboles tienen manzanas. Entonces voy a dibujar mis 3 árboles, que serían mis 3 filas o las 3 columnas, con 5 en cada uno. Entonces el conjunto A son 3 filas de 5 y el conjunto B son 3 columnas de 5. Entonces mi suma repetida es 5 más 5 más 5 es igual a 15. Okay? So on your exit ticket, guys, you're going to solve this word problem in your notebook and take a picture of your work. Draw an array and write the number sentence that matches, just like we did together. Okay? So here's your problem. Olivia put 5 stickers on each page of her notebook. She filled 4 pages with stickers. How many stickers did Olivia use? Okay, and this is a bit too long for me to write the directions in the exit ticket on Class Dojo, so make sure you have this video up while you're solving the problem in your notebook and then take a picture to upload. Alrighty? So, tu exit ticket dice resuelve este problema en tu cuaderno y después tómale una foto. Debes dibujar un conjunto y escribir la suma repetida que pertenece. Olivia puso 5 calcomanías en cada página de su cuaderno. llenó 4 páginas con calcomanías. ¿Cuántas calcomanías usó Olivia? Este es muy largo para que lo ponga las instrucciones en Class Dojo, así es que asegúrate que tengas esta video enfrente de ti con el problema, lo resuelves en tu cuaderno y luego tomas la foto y la subes a Class Dojo. Okay? Alrighty guys, see you tomorrow.